Welcome all of you in online teaching learning process. We have started paper number first inorganic chemistry. In this we have started unit number 3, chemical bonding and molecular structure, with respect to part B, valence bond theory. And in our last video we have seen details about the sp hybridization with respect to the example beryllium chloride, and the geometry of the beryllium chloride is linear one. Then in this video we will see details about the sp2 hybridization with respect to BF3 molecule and sp3 hybridization with respect to silicon tetrachloride molecule. Then first one, sp2 hybridization, that is trigonal planar molecule. Then in case of sp2 hybridization, here 1s and 2p mix and recast with each other, then we are getting sp2 hybrid orbitals. So these are the 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals which are having trigonal planar arrangement, and there is a one pz orbital which is a unhybridized one. So this unhybridized orbital for pi bond formation of left vacant. So in the case of sp2 hybridization, only the 2px and 2py combine with the 2s orbital. So the 3 hybrid orbitals make the angles of 120 degree to minimize electron repulsion between them. So here 2s, 2py, 2px mix and recast with each other, we are getting 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals which are having bond angle of 120 degree. So in the case of sp2 hybridization of boron in BF3 molecule, so here boron having electronic configuration or atomic number of boron is 5 and electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So in the ground state or in unhybridized boron, the electronic configuration is 2s2 and 2p1, and all the another 2 p orbitals are empty1. For BF3, 3 hybrid orbitals are needed, so 3 atomic orbitals are required. So here in case of BF3, 1s and 2p mix recast with each other, we are getting sp2 hybrid orbitals. So in excited state, so in hybridized state, one electron from 2s is shifted to 2p. So here we are getting sp2 hybrid orbitals as like this one. So in case of hybridization of 1s and 2p orbitals, we are getting sp2. So 1s and 2p, we are getting sp2 hybrid orbitals as like this one. So in the case of sp2 hybrid orbitals, unhybridized pz orbitals remains vacant and all 3 are sp2 hybrid orbitals. So 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals which are having bond angle 120 degree. So in the case of boron or in the case of BF3 boron trifluoride molecule, that is boron is surrounded by 3 fluorine atoms. So in the case of boron, atomic number 5, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So this is the ground state. In excited state, one electron from 2s is promoted to 2p and all are having unpaired electron, and this 2s and 2p mix and recast, we are getting 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, and last pz orbital is empty p orbital. So this is the sp hybridization in which bond angle is 120 degree. So here in case of sp2 hybrid orbitals which combines with fluorine atom, so there are 3 fluorine atoms at the corners of the trigonal plane and bond angle is 120 degree. So this is the 3D diagram of trigonal planar molecule of BF3. So molecular polarity of BF3. So in the case of boron trifluoride, boron atom is positive and fluorine atoms are negative in nature. So boron and fluorine bonds in BF3 are polar one. Bond is polar one, but molecule is symmetrical and not polar because it is a symmetrical molecule. So in the case of sp2 trigonal planar hybridization, it includes 1s and 2p orbitals. So resultant hybrid orbitals are trigonally disposed, which are inclined at 120 degree. So geometry of molecule is trigonal planar with bond angle 120 degree, and there are 3 half filled sp2 hybrid orbitals. So it can forms maximum 3 covalent bonds. So each sp2 hybrid orbital has 1/3 s character and 2/3 p character. So in the case of BF3 molecule, we will see details about the formation of BF3 molecule, that is boron trifluoride molecule. So from the electronic configuration of the boron, that is 1s2 2s2 2p1, it seems that boron is monovalent, but actually it is a trivalent. So first step is the excitation 1. To account this trivalency, it undergoes excitation and promoting 1 electron from 2s to 2p, as shown in the box diagram below. So this is the excitation process, and second process is a hybridization. So 1 2s and 2p orbitals containing 1 electron each undergo hybridization to account observed geometry, bond equivalence and bond angle. So in the case of ground state of boron, 2s2 2p1, but excited state it has 2s1 2p2. Then in the case of formation of BF3, so this mixed recast we are getting sp2 hybrid orbitals, and which combines with 1 electron of fluorine. So after hybridization, s orbital loses spherical shape while 2p orbital loses dumbbell shape and gain new shape having s and p character as shown in figure A in next slide. So these orbitals are called sp2 hybrid orbitals, and they are inclined at angle 120 degree, and geometry is a planar trigonal, as like this diagram. So in this case, so this is a sp2 hybrid orbitals and geometry is a trigonal planar one with bond angle 120 degree. Next one is a sp3 or tetrahedral hybridization. So in the case of types of hybridization, sp3 hybridization, 1 s orbital mixes with 3p orbital, forming 4 equivalent sp3 hybrid orbitals. So here in case of sp3, it contains 25% s character and 75% p character. So in case of 4 sp3 hybrid orbital, it contains 25% s and 75% p character. An example is a methane molecule or silicon tetrachloride, and bond angle is 109.5 degree. So in case of sp3 hybridization, 1s and 3p mix and recast with each other, we are getting 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals having equal energy, and the geometry is a tetrahedral one. So in the case of silicon tetrachloride, silicon is tetrahedrally surrounded by chlorine atoms, as like this one. So this is a tetrahedral arrangement of silicon tetrachloride, and the bond angle is 109.5 degree, and this 3D image of silicon tetrachloride. So central silicon 1, which is surrounded by 4 chlorine atoms. So in the case of silicon tetrachloride, having sp3 hybridization, bond angle 109.5 degree, and geometry is a tetrahedral one. So in the case of sp3 tetrahedral hybridization, so it includes 1s and 3p orbitals. So resultant hybrid orbitals are tetrahedral disposed, and to account tetrahedral disposition, so this type of hybridization is also called as tetrahedral hybridization. Example is methane 1 and silicon tetrachloride. So we will see the example, that is silicon tetrachloride SiCl4. So in the case of electronic configuration of silicon, atomic number of silicon is 14. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2, 3p2. Initially it is a divalent one, but in SiCl4 it is found to be tetravalent. So first step is a excitation one. So to account this tetravalency, it absorbs energy from the system and undergoes excitation by promoting one electron from 3s to 3p sub energy level. So this is the ground state and this is the excited state. So all are having single electron which combines with one electron from chlorine, and we are getting sp3 hybridization of silicon tetrachloride molecule. So step second, that is hybridization one. So in account of observe geometry, bond angle and bond equivalence, it hybridizes to produce tetrahedrally disposed 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals having more p character than sp2 hybrid orbitals. So it have minimum repulsion between the neighboring lobes, and the bond angle is 109.5 degree, and geometry is tetrahedral one. And in this bond formation, that is half filled sp3 hybrid orbitals of silicon axially overlaps with half filled properly oriented p orbital of a chlorine atom. So it consists of 4 sigma bonds between silicon and chlorine atoms. So and the bond nature is a sp3 p bond type. So here 3s, 3px, 3py and 3pz mix and recast, we are getting 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, and which combines with chlorine atom at 4 corners, we are getting tetrahedral geometry with bond angle 109.5 degree. So here 109.5 degree and tetrahedral arrangement. So thank you all of you for listening this video.